Stop scrolling. By this time next year, your roommate might be made of metal and silicon. We are officially entering the era of the home bot. Imagine coming home and being greeted by a robot that's not just a novelty, but a true companion and helper. The world of robotics is evolving fast, and soon, these machines will be as common as smartphones. This isn't just a tech trend, it's a lifestyle shift. As we step into 2026, the boundaries between humans and machines blur, making daily life more efficient, comfortable, and even a bit futuristic. Let's dive into the world of home robots and see what's coming your way. Forget those clunky toys from the past. 2026 is the year physical AI steps out of the lab and into your living room. We're talking about robots that are not just programmed, but physically capable of interacting with your world. These aren't science experiments. They're practical, everyday tools. Here are 8 robots that will change your life forever, from cooking to cleaning, health monitoring, and even companionship. The future isn't just digital, it's tangible, and it's about to make your home smarter, safer, and more enjoyable. Let's explore the first game-changing robot on our list. First up, the AI Sous-Chef. Imagine robotic arms in your kitchen that don't just cook, they mimic Michelin star movements, preparing gourmet meals with precision. These robots clean as they go, so you never have to worry about dishes piling up. It's a seamless blend of culinary art and technology, transforming your kitchen into a space where creativity and convenience coexist. Picture waking up to a fresh, gourmet breakfast already on the table, prepared by your AI chef. Is this even real life anymore? The AI sous chef is set to redefine home cooking, making it effortless and enjoyable for everyone. Next, meet the humanoid helper. Companies like Figure and Tesla are racing to bring Optimus into your house. This isn't just a machine, it's a general-purpose servant designed to make your life easier. Imagine a robot that folds your laundry, carries groceries, and organizes your messy closet exactly how you like it. These tasks, once tedious, are now handled effortlessly by your robotic assistant. The humanoid helper is more than a gadget. It's a partner in your daily routine, adapting to your preferences and needs. This is sci-fi. It's the reality of 2026, where technology seamlessly integrates into your home life. Now let's talk about the AI Health Guardian. Imagine a robot that monitors your vitals 24/7 without you needing to do anything. It detects illness before you even feel a symptom, acting as a proactive health monitor. It's like having a Mayo Clinic doctor living in your guest room, ready to alert you to any health concerns and even save your life while you're sleeping. This technology brings peace of mind, ensuring that your well-being is always a priority. The AI Health Guardian is a game changer for personal health, making advanced medical monitoring accessible right in your home. Meet the ultra-intelligent pet. Want the love of a dog without the shedding or the 6 a.m. walks? These AI companions are designed to learn your personality, recognize your voice, and respond to your emotions. They never make a mess on the carpet and their interactions feel surprisingly real. Is it fake if it feels this genuine? The ultra-intelligent pet is redefining companionship, offering all the warmth and connection of a traditional pet, but with none of the hassle. It's a new era for animal lovers and families, blending technology and affection in ways we never imagined. Finally, let's look at the zero-G cleaning swarm. Forget the Roomba. 2026 brings tiny modular bots that can climb walls and scrub your ceiling. These cleaning swarms work together, covering every corner of your home, even places traditional robots can't reach. It's a leap forward in home maintenance, making cleaning effortless and thorough. Imagine a team of robots working silently in the background, keeping your living space spotless. The zero-G cleaning swarm is the future of cleanliness, combining smart technology with innovative design to ensure your home stays pristine without lifting a finger.